In this video, you will learn about how to create this three-dimensional solid which is given by using Autodesk Fusion 360. Let's create this video in the Autodesk Fusion. Click on Create Sketch. Select the top plane. Select the line command. And you can start from here. Draw a line at an inclined angle. Then make a straight line. Then draw a line here. Draw a horizontal line. So make sure this line is equivalent to the distance which is on the top, and complete by clicking on the initial point. Now let's try to draw a tangential arc here. So go to create arc, tangential arc, select this point and this point. So you will get a enclosed profile. Now change this line as a construction line. Click over there, right click and change the line to construction line. Now let's give the dimensions for it. So between this one and this one, the horizontal dimension is given as 60. And let's make these two lines as equal. And let's make sure the center point is coincident with the origin. So apply coincident constraint between the center and the origin. Now give the radius of this one as 35. Change the distance between this point and this point as 100. Now coincide this point. It should be coming along the same horizontal line. So you can draw a line from here and you can apply coincident constraint, or you can apply horizontal constraint between this endpoint and origin. So let me apply horizontal constraint between this endpoint and this origin. Now it became a fully constrained sketch. Let's come out of the sketch and give the extrusion distance as 8. So extrude, give the distance of extrusion as 18 and give OK. Now let's try to draw the portion which is above it. For that, we need to draw the profile. So click on Create Sketch and select the middle plane, that is over here. Now let's try to draw the profile. So here, let me draw a line. Vertically and here. So now we have completed the profile. Let's give the dimensions of it. So this dimension is 38. This dimension is 30. And the remaining dimensions, let's check it out. So this one It is coincident with this point. So let me give a coincident constraint. So this point is coincident with this, and this point is coincident with this. Now we can have this height distance. So the dimension of this height is 17. So now it becomes a, fully constrained sketch. Let's come out of the sketch and let's try to extrude this. So click over here and select the direction as symmetric and give the overall distance. So the overall distance is 70 minus 14. The distance is 70 minus 14. So it will give you 54. So 54 divided by 2. So 54 divided by 2 is 27. So it is the one directional distance. So let me give OK. So now this portion is completed. Now we are going to draw the cylinder over it as per the diagram. So let me create sketch on this plane. So the cross section of the cylinder is circle. So let's draw a circle whose radius is given as 15. So change the dimension to 15. So sorry, its diameter is changed. So diameter is 30, radius is 15. And make sure this line is horizontal with the center. So let's apply horizontal constraint between this one and the origin. And let's provide the distance between this edge and the center, which is given as 22. So let's change the dimension between this line and this one as 22. Now let's finish the sketch. Extrude and profile. You should select it and change the distance of extrusion as 50. Now we have completed our 3D diagram. So the 3D diagram comprises of three extrudes. One is for the base and other is for this profile and the cylinder. So all three we have completed. Thanks for watching.